Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert crypto on Coinbase. Let me just show you guys my portfolio real quick. Okay, so as of right now, I only have Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have $375 worth of Bitcoin, $262 worth of Ethereum. So we're going to convert some Bitcoin to Ethereum. So at the very bottom, you see that blue button with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. So we're going to click on that. And then you see multiple options here: buy, sell, convert, send, receive. We're going to click on convert. And at this point, I'm going to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, which is ETH. However, if you wanted a different cryptocurrency, you could click on where it says to ETH. So click right there. And you could actually choose like which cryptocurrency you want to receive. So if you want to trade your Bitcoin for Cardano, Uniswap, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, there's a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that is on Coinbase, so you could choose any of them and it'll convert your Bitcoin to whichever one you pick. But like I said, I'm going to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum. So let's say I want to convert $10 worth of Bitcoin to Ethereum. So I typed in $10. At the very bottom it says preview convert. Click there, and now it'll give me the order preview. I'm going to be paying with Bitcoin, and looks like there's a $0 Coinbase fee, which is going to be nice. So if I'm happy with what I'm seeing, converting my Bitcoin to Ethereum, I'm going to click on convert now. So I'm going to click there, and then there's these little loading buttons here. Order was submitted. We'll send you an email when your order status updates. Okay, so it looks like my conversion was completed. Like I said earlier, I had $375 worth of Bitcoin. Now I'm at $365, and I do have a little bit more Ethereum. So that in a nutshell is how you convert crypto on Coinbase. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.